So Michigan State University is a core innovation partner for the Institute for Advanced Composites Manufacturing Innovation, or IACMI. The Scale-Up Research Facility we call SURF, we're located in the heart of automotive R&D. This is the only facility of its kind in North America. If you look at the breadth and the scale of the equipment, we offer the ability to scale up that technology, make real prototypes that can find their way on a vehicle into a proving grounds for evaluation and certification.
You have to know the basic criteria for compression molding or injection molding a composite part, what's going to give you good properties, and how to troubleshoot defects.
People that are very well rounded in composites are difficult to find. The strongest candidates that I've found are some of the kids that have done a lot of hands-on projects in school where they might design something, have to build it, machine it, and then actually drive it. You know, where this industry is going is a very exciting time. We're pushing on things that, you know, industry maybe can't, but with us and bringing in the right partners, we can tackle.
It's fun doing this because people want your input. They want to know what you think about making a better part, and you're not going to see that in some of the other fields that I was in.
One of the exciting things we see on the horizon is the urban air mobility market. We're seeing agencies like NASA and the Air Force really paying attention to this, and we think this is going to be an exploding opportunity for the workforce.